Hello everyone, welcome to the Programming in C class. In this series of learning C programming, in the previous video we have discussed about storage classes. We have four types of storage classes: auto, external, static, and register that we have discussed in a the overview we have discussed in a previous video. In this video we will see about in detail register and static classes and their scope. Okay. What is a register variable? Yes, we can tell the compiler that variable should be kept in one of the machine's register instead of keeping in the memory, where normal variables are stored. Where the normal variables will be stored? They will be stored in a memory. Okay. Since the register access is much faster than the memory access, keeping frequently accessed variables, for example loop control variables, in the register will lead to the faster execution of a program. Okay, that will lead to the faster execution of the program. This is done as follows, like a register int count, right? So although ANSI standard does not restrict its application to any of the particular data type, most compilers allow only int and char variables to be placed in the register scope. Like register we are declaring an int counter like this. One more is available, only char. Then scope and lifetime of the this variable. That is, let us see with all storage classes we are having, and where declared visibility is what, and then lifetime is what. Okay. So as all the four storage classes we have discussed, first one let us discuss with the external. Okay, if nothing is there, then before the all functions in the file may be initialized. Yeah, the storage class is only before the main function you are initializing entire file plus other files where variable is declared within the external. Okay, entire program. External, before all the functions in the file cannot be initialized. Okay, external and where originally it is declared as a global, and entire file plus entire file plus and other files where a variable is declared. That is what visibility in the sense scope. Okay, and then global, lifetime of it will be alive till the program life will be there. That is what global. Then entire program and this is what here is. And then static, before all the function in the file, where we have to declare in the sense before any functions which we are using, then before that static has to be used. Its scope is what? It is only local to that particular file where it has been declared. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. And then we are using none or auto keywords inside the function or a block, only when the function or a block untitled of function or a block. Okay, ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಟೋ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಇದೇನು ನೀವು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸು ಆಟೋ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೋಕಲ್. ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್. ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವರ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್, ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಲಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವರ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರುವವರೆಗೂ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್. Similarly, static, inside a function. Okay, static variables ನಾವು inside ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, and it is limited to, scope is having limited to only that function and it is declared as a global. And then we are having some of the rules. Okay, what are that rules in the sense? Scope rules. The scope, the reason of the program which variable is available. Scope ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Scope ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು variable of the program in which the variable is available for use. ಆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಸ್ಕೋಪ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮೆಮರಿ. ವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ available till to end of that block. ಆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಅಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. And then comes lifetime. Lifetime of the variable is the duration of the time in which the variable exists in the memory during execution. Execution ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ it is going to be available. Rules of use. Okay, the scope of the global variable is the entire program file. The scope of global variable entire program file. The scope of the local variable begins a point of declaration and ends of the end of the block or a function in which it is declared. Okay, the scope of common function argument and its own function is then the lifetime of an auto variable declared in the main is the entire program execution, although its scope is only the main function. Main function ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನು like auto. Then the life of an auto variable declared in a function ends when function is exited. Okay, the static variables are, although the scope is limited to its function, its lifetime extends to till the end of the program execution. All variables have a visibility in their scope provided they are not declared again. If the variable is declared within its scope, again it loses its visibility in the scope of the redeclared variables. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ವೇರಿಯಬಲನ್ನು ರಿಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೋಪನ್ನು ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ lifetime variables ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, how does this are important. Thank you so much for watching this video.